Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, install Good Lock from the Galaxy Store and open it. That's the only path Samsung supports for custom app colors. Once Good Lock is open, tap the Theme Park module. It's the tool that creates color palettes tied to apps and themes. Make sure the app you'll recolor is installed and the wallpaper or image you want is accessible. I'll walk you through creating a palette and applying it to the system and specific apps, step by step. Once in Theme Park, pick App Theme and choose the exact app you want to change. This scopes colors only to that application. Use Color Extract to pull tones from a wallpaper or tap the sliders to refine primary, accent, and background hues manually. As you tweak saturation and contrast, the preview updates, make sure buttons and text remain readable. When satisfied, save the palette. Theme Park stores it as a named theme. You can apply immediately to the app or system UI. Now apply the saved palette to the target app from Theme Park and confirm changes. Sometimes you need to force stop the app or reboot for the UI to refresh. If colors don't appear, clear the app cache, reapply the palette, and ensure Good Lock and Theme Park have notification and overlay permissions. If a palette breaks readability or app behavior, restore the exported backup or delete the app theme in Theme Park. One troubleshooting tip: toggling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.